Even more louder to the one and only. Can we see all the stars up in the air? Even more stars, please, because we've got a very big star here with us. Somebody to whom the whole world waits to listen. Somebody who can transform this place into a beautiful concert, into a beautiful magical musical area. Somebody who can take us into a different world from which it is very difficult to come out of. I want to see all your phones up in the air. All your phones up in the air. All the phones in between as well. With your flashlights on. To the biggest star of the Indian music industry. Let's welcome him the way Mangalore has been welcoming everybody so far. Can we see all your phones up in the air? High up in the air, everyone. Okay, this is Team A. 3, 2, 1, make some noise. That's Team B. 3, 2, 1, make some noise. Team Mangalore, make some noise. When I say Javed, you say Ali. Are you guys ready with me? Javed! Javed! Louder, Javed! Even more louder, Javed! Javed Ali! Javed Ali! Javed Ali! Let's not stop, let's keep chanting his name. He's going to come on stage. We want all your phones up in the air. Now it's time to welcome on stage the voice of the nation. One versatile voice that suits all your moods, that makes sure that you're always entertained, that makes sure that music keeps you sane, and that makes sure that you're always mesmerized. Let's welcome on stage Mr. Javed Ali. Perfect, of course. Now, this whole place is also perfect. By the beach, listening to one and only Javed Ali. What a wonderful way it is, right? Do you guys agree with me? This time, we are not going to disappoint you like the time I've done earlier twice. But I just wanted to see if you guys have the energy to welcome him. Now, we have already done the rehearsal. Rehearsal ke baad, we are going to go with the actual performance from your end. All the stars up in the sky, please. This is going to be real now. Now, whoever has not lifted the stars up in the air, we want all of you all to put your stars up in the air, because this time, definitely, it is Mr. Voice of Nation, Mr. Versatile Voice of the Globe that's going to come on stage. We want all your love to be shown when he comes on stage here. All your phones up in the sky, please. Let's see all the stars right up in the sky to welcome the biggest star of the Indian music industry. Jaisa ki maine kaha, right from the gullies of Delhi to every nooks and corners of the world, one song that keeps taking us back into the wonderful memories that we've had so far in our lives together. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys are ready, let's make the loudest noise possible to the one and only. I want to hear your voice, to the one and only. To the one and only. The stars behind there, you guys are also the stars of the show. We want to see you. All your phones up. To the one and only. That's not enough, guys. To the one and only. Yes, you are right. The time has come for all of us, to the time that we've been waiting for from a very, very long time. We've been waiting for the one and only Javed Ali.
love.